Hi, today we are going to talk about video submission tracker. So any videos that have been submitted, if you want to keep track of that, we have this template available for use case. So we have a database over here where you can keep track of all the video submissions that are coming for your on your end. Okay, so we have the submission ID, the submitter name, email, title, category, all the fields available over here. And if you see the summary section at the top, we have an option of pending reviews. So if any reviews are pending for any particular videos, that is being shown over here with the submission date and the status and the title of the video. Okay, then we have approved videos. So all the videos which have been approved are presented over here, and then we have show all section which shows all the videos one by one over here. You can obviously make changes to this, like if you want to see as per different categories. So what you can do is you can group it as per different categories. So if I select categories, you can see all the videos are grouped as per different categories over here. So all these things are entirely customizable as per your needs and changes. You can play around with the database and make changes with your needs, and it will automatically work as per the particular requirement. Okay. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, Online PDF Generator, which can help you generate invoice documents in bulk utilizing a Notion database. So this is an online PDF generator tool which has this invoice laid out. You can simply fill in this invoice and click on download to download the invoice. So let me quickly add a logo over here. And once I click on download, you can see it has downloaded an invoice. And if you check the invoice, it is looking pretty much clean and neat for our purpose. Okay, you obviously can make changes to the currency. So once you go to this currency section, there are a lot of currencies to select from for a use case. Okay, but the best part is if you go to the multiple PDF option, there is an option to download a Notion database. Okay, click on this download link and you will get this database that you can see over here. Fill in the database one by one with all the invoice details and link up this database to online PDF generator tool. Okay, and then you can simply fetch the invoice and download the invoices, which will generate bulk invoices in one click. So you don't need to manually fill in one by one to generate the invoices. You can go to how to use section to watch the entire video for the demonstration, and it will explain you all the steps one by one of how to do that. If you have any questions, use this contact window and send me a message with your queries. I'll be happy to assist you on that. Or you can send me an email or notion for my use at the gmail.com. This is where I can take up your queries and help you out further. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.